Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. In this video, we are going to be doing a barber practice test number 3. Please be sure to read your textbook for more information on each subject. Information is not limited to the one shown in this video. This will be a 20 question and answer practice test going over pathogens and bacteria, infection control, hair and scalp physiology. If you find all of this information helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and send it to someone who you think could find all of this information helpful. With all being said, good luck on your test. Now let's get started. Number 1. What bacteria, when viewed through a microscope, would appear to be spiraled, coiled, corkscrew-shaped bacterial cells? A. Staphylococci. B. Spirilla. C. Saprophytes. D. Flagella. The answer is B. Spirilla. Number 2. Bacteria that form spores can only be destroyed by using a product label as sporocidal or by A. Disinfecting, B. Dusting, C. Cleaning, D. Sterilization. The answer is D. Sterilization. Number 3, hair-like projections used by bacilli and spirilla to move themselves are called cilia or A. Bacilli, B. Flagella, C. Verruca, D. Tinea. The answer is B. Flagella. Number 4, disease-causing bacteria or viruses that are carried through the blood or body fluids are known as A. Mites, B. Cocci, C. Blood-borne pathogens, D. Fungi. The answer is C. Blood-borne pathogens. Number 5, what term identifies how long a disinfectant needs to be in direct contact with the surface or item to be disinfected? Is it A, efficacy number, B, EPA registration number, C, processing time, D, contact time? The answer is D, contact time. Number 6, what percent alcohol can be used as an antiseptic for the skin? A, at least 70%. B, less than 40%. C, at least 90%. D, less than 20%. The answer is A, at least 70%. Number 7, why is it important to dry towels, linens, and capes thoroughly before storing? A, to prevent corrosion of the storage device. B, damp towels and linens attract viruses. C, to avoid mildew or bacterial growth. D, saves energy. The answer is C, to avoid mildew or bacterial growth. Number 8, the regulatory agency under the U.S. Department of Labor that enforces safety and health standards in the workplace is A. SDS, B. EPA, C. USDA, D. OSHA. The answer is D. OSHA. Number 9, key product information such as toxicology, first aid, firefighting measures, and ecological information is provided by the A. SDS, B. DNR, C. EPA, D. USDA. The answer is A, SDS. Number 10. What steps should be taken after removing all hair from a brush during a disinfection procedure? Is it A, immerse the brush in a disinfecting solution? B, store brush in a dry covered container? C, wash brush with soap and water? D, dry brush thoroughly. The answer is C, wash brush with soap and water. Number 11, why is it important to add disinfectant to water when diluting a concentrate? A, prevents foaming. B, prevents disinfection. C, prevents concentration. D, prevents dilution. The answer is A, it prevents foaming. Number 12, when performing first aid for bleeding wound, what is the next step after bleeding stops? A, elevate injured limb. B, don't do anything. C, apply pressure. D, apply bandage. The answer is D, apply bandage. Number 13, muscle affected by massage are generally massaged from the A, insertion attachment to origin attachment. B, insertion attachment to belly attachment. C, origin attachment to insertion attachment. D, belly attachment to insertion attachment. The answer is A, insertion attachment to origin attachment. So just remember, from insertion to origin. Number 14, what is known as the active growing stage of hair? A, catagen stage. B, anagen stage. C, transitional stage. D, resting stage. The answer is B, anagen stage. Number 15, the resting stage of hair growth when the hair bulb has no attached root sheath is referred to as the A, catagen stage. B, anagen stage. C, telogen stage. D, active stage. The answer is C, telogen stage. Number 16, gray hair is caused by A, excessive color pigment in the cortex layer of the hair. B, reduced color pigment in the medulla layer of the hair. C, excessive color pigment in the cuticle layer of the hair. D, reduced color pigment in the cortex layer of the hair. The answer is D, reduced color pigment in the cortex layer of the hair. Number 17, the number of active hair follicles per square inch on the scalp refers to A, texture. B, porosity. C, density. D, color. The answer is C, density. Number 18, the ability of the hair to absorb moisture, liquid, or chemicals is known as A, texture. B, porosity. C, density. D, capacity. The answer is B, porosity. Number 19, extreme porosity describes hair that has been damaged by the environment or A, overprocessed, B, conditioned, C, stretched, D, broken. The answer is A, overprocessed. Number 20, a disorder that refers to thick, crusty patches of red irritated scalp is known as A. Ringworm, B. Pityriasis capitis, C. Psoriasis, D. Pediculosis capitis simplex. The answer is C. Psoriasis. Here's a bonus question, number 21. If the layer of the cuticle are very close together, the hair has which type of porosity? Is it A, resistant, B, average, C, extreme, D, uneven? The answer is A, resistant. That's it for this video. I hope you're finding all of this information helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you find all of this useful, don't forget to share it with a friend. Give this video a thumbs up. And as always, let's keep going, let's keep growing, and I'll see you on the next one.